The model home we're going to take a look at today is the Anastasia at the Waters at Center Ranch. And this model home has 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and it ranges between 2,500 square footage all the way to 3,000. Let's get started. Welcome to the home tour of the Anastasia model home. The Anastasia is a 2-story single-family home with 2-car garage, a front porch, and also a covered lanai in the back. As you enter the house, you are greeted by the foyer. You also have the door to the garage and a flex room or office space. From here, you have access to the open floor concept. You connect your kitchen, dining area, living area, and it's an easy to flow concept. The kitchen has been upgraded to a gourmet kitchen. I love all the counter space that you get. I forgot to show you, but this is the door that leads to the garage. This is your entryway from the garage to the house. So continuing with the tour, we have here the dining area and then the family room or living room, as you wish to call it. From here, we have a great view to the covered lanai and the backyard. This is my favorite part of the home. It has high ceilings, which is great. It combines both stories. This floor plan has the master suite on the first floor. Let me know in the comments if you have a preference on whether to have the master suite on the first floor or along with the rest of the bedrooms. The master suite is very spacious, and I love how all the natural light comes in. Look at the tray ceiling. Please subscribe to my channel where I post weekly home tours and information about how to buy a new construction home here in Orlando. On the first floor, we have a half bath and the laundry area. We're going to take a look at it now.
Let's take a look at this beautiful kitchen. It's very spacious, lots of counter space. I love the gourmet kitchen, the stainless steel appliances. Now let's explore the second floor. I love how it feels, the openness, once you get to the second story, the way it combines with the first floor. On the second story, we have 3 additional bedrooms, 2 full baths, and a loft area. If you're enjoying this content, please give me a thumbs up. It helps me create more videos for you to enjoy. Now let's go check the patio en Lanai. In my videos, I enjoy sharing this view because it provides another perspective of the home. If you enjoyed this home tour, please make sure to check my other home tours in the area. I have plenty more new construction homes like this one to show you. Just click the link on the right-hand corner of this video. I will see you on the next one.